Again with a new video. Today we're reacting to this video on Twitter. I think the lady is teaching us different words, and even though they sound the same, they are actually different. They have different meanings. So we're gonna watch it and react to it. Make sure you guys go like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Let's not waste time. Let's go. Let's pull it. Let's pull it back.
Every day and every day. You say them the same, but they do not have the same meaning. First, every day, two words means each day or daily, and it's an adverbial noun. It tells where. Every day, one word is an adjective, and it means seen or used every day. Look at these examples. I dress professionally every day or every day. Every day. Which one? The first one. I dress professionally every day, which means what? When?
Honestly, I
The
did not
next
know
one.
this. Honestly.
These boots.
Wait. Honestly, I never. Is this true? Because after how many years of school, even have a master degree, I didn't know this. Honestly. Ah, wait. Let's take it back. Let's see.
Or daily, and it's an adverbial noun. It tells where. Every day, one word is an adjective, and it means seen or used every day. Look at these examples. I dress professionally every day or every day. Every day. Which one? The first one. I dress professionally every day, which means what? When? The next one. These boots aren't my everyday shoes. Which one? Blue. The second one, because it tells what? What kind of shoes? I could say blue, right? And that's an adjective. So I don't wear them every day. And that means what? When, right?
Honestly, this is
The
still
adverbial
confusing me.
noun when. Next one. Students
It's
know
still
rubber lessons
confusing
are
me.
part of our everyday routine. The blue one, because again, it does what? Describes the noun routine. Students know grammar lessons are part of our everyday routine because we have a new lesson every day. When? Every day. So, let me ask you this. Did you learn something every day?
Honestly, I never knew that.
Every
I actually didn't know that. Well, you learn every day though. Get it? Every day? Every day? But honestly though, it's I actually didn't know that. Let's see the comment. That's why I just say every day. People on social media, why are you people like this? You say also the English language is real. It's a real menace. Menace. How often do you like your head? You are funny. Someone say, why she look like her? I guess this is. Oh God, what do you guys think though? What do you guys think? Did you learn something new or did you know this already? Comment down below, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a new video, in another video, in the next video. Peace.